Hi guys, Harry here from Tech Media Fusion. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can see by the title, I wanted today to talk about Microsoft and Windows 8, the new operating system for Microsoft. Now, on Tuesday the 24th of April, Microsoft had a developers event in Tokyo. Stephen Sonosky, who is the head of the Windows division, he announced that they would be giving us a release preview of Windows 8 on June this year. Now, we already got a consumer preview on the 29th of February of 2012 this year. They're going to be releasing another one, like I said, in June, called a release preview. And then the final product is going to be released in October of this year. And that's my concern, and that's what I want to talk about today in this video. We first heard about Windows 8 back at CES, the Consumer Electronic Show, and that was done in January 2011. From then, we've had the consumer preview, and now we're going to have this release preview. And in the space of 12 months, not even 12 months, we're going to be getting two previews of the operating system and then a final product. Now, Microsoft aren't very clear what the differences are going to be between the consumer preview and the release preview. I'm sure there's going to be some differences, otherwise there wouldn't be any need for it. Perhaps the release preview, logically, you would think that the release preview is going to be much closer to the final product. Certain features in the Metro style and stuff like that are going to be working better. But that being said, I personally feel that Microsoft have perhaps, and I hope I'm wrong on this, but I feel that they've perhaps shot themselves in the foot a little bit by giving us, the ordinary consumers, too much of a hook, if you like, on Windows 8. Obviously, they had to give it to developers. Developers have always got to get hold of the operating system before it's officially released. But I think that for us, the average user, if Microsoft had just left it to, throwing us little tidbits like at CES or other conferences or developers conferences or through magazines and other tech journals or blogs and videos and stuff like that, adverts, I think if they'd have just teased people a little bit with that, then come the official release in October, they would have had a similar mass exodus of people going out and buying this operating system to what Apple did with Lion and Snow Leopard. When Lion hit the App Store, the night that it hit the App Store, some people couldn't download Lion for maybe 2 days after because of the sheer volume of people downloading the operating system. Now, I'm not saying that's a good thing for us, the people downloading it, because it was a pain in the backside for people that couldn't get hold of it. But for the company, and that's the main concern here at the minute, that's what the whole idea of this video is about. When I first heard about or seen Windows 8, I thought that this is definitely going to be the game changer that Microsoft need to get themselves back into the game. There's no doubting that Microsoft have been kind of like sidelined a little bit since Apple have had the massive success that they've had. Google and Android and all the other phone systems and tablet systems that have come out as well have kind of also left Microsoft behind a little bit. And Microsoft have there was a period there where you could have said they missed the MP3 boat, they missed the mobile phone boat, they missed the tablet boat, but they seem to be getting themselves back into the game with this Windows 8, and I think this could be a real game changer for them. But with these previews, I just fear that people aren't going to go out and buy the operating system in the quantities that they were hoping for on the official release date. Now, talking about the official release date as well, Microsoft have said that Windows 8 will come in 4 versions. It'll be Windows 8, Windows 8 Professional, Windows RT, which is for the ARM Microprocessor side of things, and then it'll be Windows Server 2012, which is obviously for the business and enterprise side of things. Now, I don't understand why they've called it Windows Server 2012. I don't understand why they just didn't call it Windows 8 Server. But, things could possibly change by the final release date. But what do you guys think? Do you think perhaps Microsoft have shot themselves in the foot? Do you think they've given us too much and people are quite happy with what they've seen, or it's been enough for them to determine that they'd rather stay with Windows 7? Or do you think that They've done a fantastic marketing job here, and people are really excited about going out and buying the final product in October, purely on the basis of the previews that they've had, the consumer preview and the release preview that's due to come in June. Leave your comments down below, some video responses as well, guys, if you like. Also, if you want, you can go across to my website, Tech Media Fusion. I'd love to see you across there, and all the social networking sites that I'm part of that I have no idea about, but I'm just part of them. You can follow me on them as well. So Twitter, Facebook, Google+, all those other different networks. I would just like to quickly say here as well, thank you very much, guys, for all the support that you've given me, both here on the channel and over at Tech Media Fusion. It's been phenomenal. There will be a newsletter going out today. If you want to sign up to that, you can do at Tech Media Fusion. There will be, on the newsletter, there is some things in there that won't be on the website. And that's obviously just something that I had to do. Any giveaways that I'm doing, I will be putting into the newsletter. And there is a small giveaway in this newsletter. So if you want to be in for the giveaway, all you've got to do is just put your name and your email address down on the newsletter section, which is down in the sidebar at Tech Media Fusion, and that's it. You're automatically in for it. So thanks very much, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and take care. Bye.